We have another example on the board. First, we're supposed to find the derivative of each term of this relation. So we have derivative of 3x squared y respect to x plus derivative of x with respect to x is equal derivative of constant with respect to x. So I have derivative of 3x squared y. This is my constant. Constant comes down, so I have 3. Next I have to find the derivative of the product of two factors. So the formula says I have to copy down the first factor, so I have x squared, and multiply it by the derivative of the second one. So I have dy over dx plus the second factor multiplied by the derivative of the first one. So I have 2x dx over dx, okay, plus dx over dx is equal 1. Is equal, everything is equal 0 because derivative of constant is equal 0. This is equal 3x squared dy over dx plus 2xy dx over dx is equal 1. That's why I'm not going to write it. Close parenthesis plus 1 is equal 0, okay? Because I have constant added to this expression, I'm supposed to move this constant to the right side. Next, I can distribute this 3 into the parentheses. So I'm going to have 3x squared dy over dx plus 6xy is equal negative 1. I'm looking for dy over dx. That's why I'm going to move 6xy to the right side of the equal sign. So I have 3x squared dy over dx is equal negative 1 minus 6xy. In order to find dy over dx, I'm going to divide both sides of my equation by 3x squared. 3x squared. 3x squared and 3x squared will cancel out. And I end up with, I'm going to factorize the negative sign. So I have dy over dx is equal negative 1 plus 6xy over 3x squared. Okay, keep in mind that x is in the denominator, so that's why it has to be different than 0. And this is my answer to this problem.